I know, even grandma said it's cold. Wow, Gilana, that's so quick. Oh, 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 yeah. How's Jade? Screaming? You too? Did you see Moose, anak? You said you see Moose. Oh, she's there. Okay, let's go see. I'll be back. How was it? How was it? Yeah, just pick your own battle, and this is not the battle you want. So Honda Rancher. What trail? Over there on the trail? Okay, yeah, yeah. Oh, wow. You got a winch? Oh, wow. So maybe this is a snowplow too. Julene, you can help daddy snow plowing. Jilana, come on, Jilana. Okay, let's go play. Why you got a here? Wow, is that a bug bite? Yeah, what is that? Okay, we have to put oh yeah. Eh. Ay, Maricar, na-delete mo na lahat, hindi pa. Oh. Oh. Na-delete mo na, Maricar? Wala akong time kanina mag-delete, napagod ako, no, busy. Oh, wow, ayuda day to day. Congratulations sa mga mananalo. Ayan. Back to school. Grabe. Ano, na-delete na? Maricar, na-delete mo na ba lahat? Ayan. Hindi pa sumasagot. Oh, they finally bought that one. That's, huh? Yeah. How many acres? Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Lapit na. Diyos ko, malapit na. Wow. The red one will be yours. No, Juliana, you're gonna get the big four-wheeler. Daddy's for side by side. Oo nga. Okay, be careful. Juliana, kapit. Hang on tight.